Gardening is always at the top of lists of favorite recreational pleasures for a variety of reasons. The beauty of the finished product, the delight of interacting with nature, the ability to grow your own and more tasty food and herbs, and of course, relaxation. Aside from that, gardening provides direct health benefits to both devoted and casual gardeners. In fact, 45 minutes of gardening can burn as many calories as 30 minutes of other heart-healthy exercises, according to research. Gardening may soon become an addiction if you get into it. It has so many benefits, more than just making your back and front yards more appealing and aesthetic. But you will be more surprised to learn that there's more to gardening than you think. There's actually a harmonious relationship between gardening and your heart. Are you interested in learning more? Well, in this video, we will show you the surprising relationship between gardening and your heart. But before that, hello there. This is Scope Care, your scholarly friend to help you with your health. So what are we waiting for? There are a lot of factors to talk about. Without further ado, let's discuss the surprising relationship between gardening and your heart. Gardening's surprising benefits. Let's first have a true life story, shall we? The most remarkable example of gardening benefits we've ever seen is possibly a woman who was labeled as disabled due to 2 strokes but appeared to be completely functional when the doctor saw her. She explained that her first stroke had made her paralyzed and rendered her unable to walk. When she looked out her window one day, she spotted the vacant lot next to her house, which was overgrown with weeds, dry dirt, and debris. That's when it dawned on her. By renovating that piece of land, she might be able to rehab herself. Every day, she crawled over to the lot on her hands and knees and began plucking weeds and bagging the trash. She initially required assistance from her grandchildren, but she continued fighting for 2 years to clear the lot, and they both gradually improved. Her doctors were taken aback when they saw her regain full mobility. Now, isn't that inspiring? Here's another real-life story. In one study, a very intelligent Vietnam veteran stepped up. He was startled to learn that this kind man had been a heroin addict for 15 years before seeking treatment. He claimed he had given up hope of ever being able to live a productive life until he began working in the garden. He found peace and purpose there and went on to teach other vets about the advantages and practices of gardening. So what did we learn from these 2 stories? It's the fact that gardening is highly beneficial to your health. Gardening can help patients recover from physical sickness by retraining muscles and boosting coordination and strength, according to the American Horticultural Therapy Association. Patients at the Oregon Burn Center in Portland, for example, learned to negotiate sloping paths through a sensory potpourri of plants in a shaded, safe garden to regain their balance and stamina. Furthermore, merely being in nature relieves stress, lowers blood pressure, and relaxes muscles. Now that you know more about gardening's benefits, let's talk about you, gardening, and your heart. Gardening reduces stress. Our heart health is heavily affected by stress, and in order to achieve optimal heart health, we must try to reduce our stress. That's where gardening steps in. Stress has been linked to a variety of health issues, including heart disease. That is why stress reduction is beneficial to your heart. Gardening has been shown to be a fantastic technique to reduce stress by spending time in nature, calming our bodies and brains, according to studies. Did you know that good mental health has a positive impact on your overall heart health? When we are under more stress, our blood pressure rises, putting more strain on our hearts. The more stress your heart is under during the day, the harder it needs to work to keep you alive. We will have fewer stress hormones, such as cortisol, in our body if we take the time to care for our mental health, slow down, and unwind. Gardening in particular has been shown to lower anxiety, sadness, promote growth mindsets, help handle stress better, and help the mind stay present. All of this from just looking after your plant babies. Creating a more relaxed state lowers blood pressure and provides our hearts with the relaxation and healthy heart rate they require to execute their jobs over time. Gardening is a good exercise for you and for your heart. Gardening is definitely a type of exercise. That alone should tell you how good it is for you and your heart health. But allow us to tell you more about that. Low-level physical activities like gardening, according to a recent study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, are linked to a lower risk of mortality from heart disease. The study discovered that people who engaged in low-level hobbies like gardening for less than 1 hour each week had a 12% lower risk of dying from heart disease. People who did these activities for more than 2 hours each week had a 37% lower chance of dying from heart disease. If you think about the motions and movements you go through in a regular gardening session, you'll undoubtedly recall a lot of walking, getting up and down from the garden bed, sweat on your brow, and even your heart rate rising. Gardening is a terrific way to get some exercise. A single hour of gardening can burn up to 300 calories, according to research. Squats, raking, driving a mower, lifting dirt bags, tilling soil, and other gardening activities will help you work up a sweat and improve your muscles, including your heart muscles. The better your heart muscles are at pumping blood through your body, the less likely you are to develop heart disease. But hold on, please click the subscribe button to get notified about future updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Can you tell us about your gardening routine? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. Gardening promotes and encourages healthy eating. Not only can gardening get you sweating and boost your intellect, but the fruits of your labor will also benefit your heart. Growing your own fruits, veggies, and herbs assures that you have access to natural and, in many cases, organic produce. That means your breakfast, lunch, and supper dishes are more likely to be made with fresh ingredients. The more vegetables you put on your plate, the happier your heart will be, and a little dirt never hurts. In your garden, you can cultivate a variety of edible fruits, vegetables, and flowers. You will eat more fruits and veggies if you grow them yourself. A heart-healthy diet, particularly one rich in fruits and vegetables, is beneficial. So, what exactly are you waiting for? Get out there and start gardening. Gardening improves life satisfaction. Being content with your life is a subjective feeling that differs from person to person. Scientists, on the other hand, employ surveys, interviews, and other methods to determine how satisfied an individual or group of individuals is on average. Studies have shown that gardening increases the feeling of life satisfaction by promoting pleasant emotions and decreasing symptoms of depression and loneliness. Patients with diagnosed diseases were able to overcome symptoms, surgical patients experienced less pain, and individuals with mental health issues were able to overcome major anxiety or depression symptoms by merely strolling through the woods. It's no surprise that individuals of all ages go to the park, mountains, forest, or even their own backyard to improve their health and mood in one way or another. Gardening safety. Before we end this video, here are some tips we can provide for a happy and safe gardening routine. First and foremost, stay hydrated. There are no set standards for how much water you should drink each day because it depends on your age, gender, weight, and health conditions. However, because gardening causes your body to lose fluid due to exertion and sun exposure, it's necessary to drink more than usual. Next, wear long sleeves, hats, and sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 to protect yourself from the sun, and know your limits for physical activity and heat exposure. Finally, use protective gardening gloves to protect yourself from sharp objects or chemicals, and follow safe, heavy lifting techniques to avoid injuring your back, wrists, neck, or shoulders. Oh, and don't forget to have lots of fun. And that's the video. We hope we've encouraged you to try gardening for yourself. Your heart will be so happy if you do. Have you ever tried gardening before? What is your favorite plant, and how do you like to garden it? Let us know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated about our latest content. Remember, if you want to talk about your health and diet, then let's talk here at Scope Care.